Κόκκινα φεγγάρια, Motorcycle Rock Show.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is the brand new model of sim that we call it Joyride. Of course we know Joyride for many years, but this is with 16-inch wheel front and a keyless brand new bike. So what about this motorcycle scooter? Is good for working class hero? With the first sight I see the carpet is big, looks nice. But let's see it now in details, what is good and what is bad in this lovely motorcycle. So what we have in this lovely motorcycle? We have a windscreen that's protected a lot and we can change it into position with tools. It's a keyless. The key of the bike is on my pocket. I can open here because the fuel's from here like this. It's opening. We don't have a hook, not even here, not even here. And I can open the seat from the other side that looks good enough. Let's see if we can put a helmet inside. Georgia, give me a helmet. This is a jet helmet, but a big one, and it's a large because it's mine, and I consider that it's bigger than a normal full face. So I put it here. There is also a lot of space that it remains, for sure. For sure, you can put any kind of full face helmet on it. So for 3 points, 1, 2, 3, Nikos Gallis! Yay! Okay, we have handles, we have place for the top case, and we have a single stand, we have a double stand, we have a locker here with many things for USB and etc. to charge your phone and etc. The steppers for the second rider needs to be very easy to open it, like this. So I am ready now for Georgia. Everything is in a correct position, my hands are okay, I'm well protected, I have a good view back, my legs, they got a lot of space to put many things, but I feel a little bit deep. Normally I want to sit somewhere here, but I feel a little bit deep, so maybe it's better position for a people that is less than 180. Now we will see with Georgia back. The seats are big, the saddles for both of the riders are big and comfortable in 2 levels. So Georgia, how are you feel?
Comfortable.
You can do many kilometers with this?
Yes, it's very good.
Yes, it's important to do many kilometers because this is a 300 cubits scooter. So you have to be comfortable to do many kilometers because it's not only for the city, it's for the outside of the city also. So we are positive.
Oh yes.
Δεν θα πω πείμα. Θα το σκεφτώ μέχρι τότε. Okay, let's start it. we are down of the sunlight and the hard sunlight, so you see it at the daylight and not at the night time that everything is easy. And from the left to the right you can see a temperature counter, an RPM counter, a clock, and a total kilometer counter that as you can see is got 322 kilometers. We do it, we take it with 0 kilometers this motorcycle. Then we have the kilometer counter and the fuel counter. So nice. And also we got two buttons that change from volt to time and from daily to total kilometer counter. That's it. Nice and simple. Okay, I feel comfortable, I have a good view back, I'm well protected from the weather, and let's hear the sound of the engine. That sounds nice, alive. And let's do the first thing that we do it inside the city, change direction. Okay, this bike changes easily direction and you feel safe. The brakes makes you feel more safe because are good, and the performance is a typical performance of this category. So finally, I am positive for this bike. I am a fan of Sim engines. I have changed till now 4 engines of Sim. I have started with a 200 cubics, that is 170 something LC with carburetor. Then I take the model with injection. Then I buy the first Citycom with 2 valves. And now my daily scooter, motorcycle scooter, it's a Citycom, the latest, the last model. So I am fan anyway of this engine. So I can say only good things about it. It's trustful. It's trustful enough. It's not a superpower engine, but it's trustful. You trust this engine to going from the place A to the place B, and doesn't matter what. I like it. So anyway, it's a 4-stroke single water cool that give us 26 horses at 8,000 RPF and 26 Nm at 6,000 RPM. Plus on that all the scooter with all the liquids on it, it's only 186 kilos, means that the performance of this scooter, it's fine for the category, and I love it. Not I am positive, I love it. I trust it. An engine that I can trust it. First thing that I miss is that we don't have a high pressure tubes. That's life. But we have a ABS system, it's functional. We have a big fat wave style disc that looks very good quality. We have this wheel that is probably it's hard to clean it, it's got too many angles and etc. The tire is nice. We have this protection here on the fork that reminds me the 70s, that I love it. It's a great protection for the forks. I am very happy that I see that thing again in motorcycle. We have a radiator here, a big one, very big one, that is also got a protection in front of it. We got good lights, disagree with me. And we got a face that looks very beautiful. Finally, I am positive. Okay, quality. The color is very nice. It's white with perla on it. It's shining very much. I like it. The plastic, it's soft. It's okay. We have too many plastics around the bike, like here, and here. That looks like a carbon fiber. It's a nice detail. The black plastics, the soft I mean, are very soft. They are very good and fits very well. The only thing that I think that they can do it better, it's to put some more rubber in the carpet. So the only thing that I want more here is some more rubber in the carpet. The material of the seat, it's very good, it's typical for the Sim. Everything looks nice, everything looks well made. I consider it as an excellent motorcycle. My point, take a look even here, the detail with the plastic all over the mirror, or with a rubber here on the fork. This is nice details, quality details. The only thing that I don't like it, and I wanted some more as I told you, it's some more rubber in the carpet. But anyway, fix a rubber and put it in there. So ladies and gentlemen, what we got? We got a comfortable scooter. Everything is in a correct position. We have enough performance. We have a lot of space for two persons. And the most important, we got a very big carpet. So we can put many things here. Also, we have a lot of space down of the seat, and we have a place also standard for the top box. So clearly we are speak for a work class hero. This is a bike to going to work every day, to carry things, to feel comfortable and safe on it. If I am positive on it, of course I am positive. I can change few things on it, but doesn't matter. I feel positive. Let's see now what is the opinion also of Georgia, that also ride it a lot. Georgia, tell us.
I have to say that I enjoyed it. I like scooters very much. I like the easiness. I like the comfort and I like the spaces. And this has many spaces, great comfort. Well, the seat is like what you said. The legs are more up.
It's better maybe for the people that is less than 180.
Do you know what I saw in this bike?
Yes, tell me.
It has minimum shaking inside the...
Yes, because it's got a big back adjusters. It's bigger than City Comet, etc.
And on the road it's a minimum shaking. Very nice.
I will tell you what is the most... the thing that surprised me, and now is starting to existing to many bikes again. This rubber that is existing in the fork, that is protecting the inside of the fork from the dust, from the water, from everything, from stones. I see it again in a scooter, and I have seen it lately in 2 or 3 more scooters, and this is nice. This is something that is coming back from the 70s, and I think that it's very, very, very good. Also, you are very safe because the lights are good, the day lights. You can see the scooter, doesn't matter if it's a day or if it's a night time. So, this is Ioannis and Georgia for Kokina Fεγγάρια Motorcycle Rock Show. Thanks for watching us. Georgia, θα πω πείμα τελικά.
Oh no. Bye.
Ένα αεροπλάνο πέρασε απάνω από τα αστέρια και εγώ με τους φίλους μου τρώγαμε κασέρια. Ψωμί δεν είχαμε, το ξέχασα ο Λάκας. Δεν πειράζει όμως, μετά θα πάμε για μπύρες. Quality. Quality poetry. Ladies and gentlemen, this is an upcoming review with 0 kilometers. We will take this motorcycle brand new with 0 kilometers and we will ride it for you to give you an interesting review. And Georgia, what do you think that this is this bike? Sim. Sim. And what is inside?
Let's see.
Let's see it. So let's open it. 1, 2, 3, go. The brand new Joyride 300 of Sim with a big wheel front, keyless and all the technology our day's facts. What do you think, Georgia?
Look at this space. Look.
Space, space.
Yes. It's going
So,
to be-
this is going to be our new review, and it's going to be an interesting review.
Very interesting.